In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your App Store use Face ID. This handy feature allows you to authorize all your App Store purchases with a quick glance, adding an extra layer of security and convenience to your digital transactions. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up and use Face ID seamlessly with your App Store activities. To get started, you'll first need to open the Settings app on your device. You'll find the Settings icon on your home screen. It appears as a grey gear. Tapping on this will take you to a menu brimming with options to personalize and secure your device. Once in settings, you'll need to scroll down slightly to find the option labeled Face ID and Passcode. Tap on it to proceed. This section of your device settings is dedicated to managing Face ID, Apple's secure facial recognition technology designed to keep your information safe and sound. In this section, you can manage how Face ID is used across different apps and features of your device. After selecting Face ID and Passcode, you'll be prompted to enter your device's passcode. This security step ensures that it's really you making these changes. Go ahead and type in your passcode. If you've forgotten it, you may need to reset your passcode through Apple's recovery procedures, but usually folks remember it. With your passcode entered, you'll gain access to the Face ID settings. Here, look for the section titled iTunes and App Store. This is the feature where magic happens. When enabled, it combines convenience and security each time you wish to make a purchase or download a new app. To proceed, simply toggle the switch next to iTunes and App Store to the on position. You'll know it's activated when the switch turns green. This means that the next time you try to buy an app or make an in-app purchase, you'll be prompted to authorize the transaction using your Face ID rather than entering your Apple ID password. This can save you time and ensure that nobody but you can make purchases on your account. And that's it, you've successfully set up Face ID for use with the App Store. From now on, enjoy quicker purchases and downloads, all while keeping your account secure. Remember that you can return to this setting anytime if you wish to disable the feature or adjust other Face ID related options. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more ways to enhance your device's security and functionality in our other tutorials. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our useful guides. Enjoy the added ease of a secure App Store experience.